Hi everyone, this is Umair from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we will be discussing about how to connect Deriv to Tradingview and can you trade on Tradingview with Deriv. So this is going to be covered in this video. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply donate to our channel, so that will be super awesome. Now as you can see, we have a step-by-step guide for that. So what you need to do is simply access the TradingView website. Once you are there, you are going to be logging in to your account. If you do not have an account already, make sure to create one or get a new account. Then you are going to be accessing the brokerage integration panel, which is available on TradingView. So I am assuming most of you guys are well aware about TradingView. And once logged into your TradingView account, navigate to the top right corner of your screen where you will find your username or profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop down menu and select the brokerage option from the list. Once you do that, you're going to be in the brokerage integration panel. Scroll through the list of supported brokers until you find Deriv and click on the connect or connect to broker button next to the Deriv logo, and that will eventually bridge the connection between these two, TradingView and Deriv, eventually wrapping up this video. So make sure to follow that process, and I hope this was helpful. If it was, you can simply head over to the link in the description for the donation process, as it is going to be really helping us out. So yeah, that is it for this video guys. Make sure to subscribe as well. Take care and see you in the next video.